What's going on is Mr. Blue Ocean FX back with another breakdown. This time we're breaking down an update that we had on Ethereum, ETH. As you can see, we had this on the weekly time frame. We had an inverted head and shoulders, which we had an alert here that just got triggered at the 2,935 area. In my previous video, I told you I would have some spot positions, which I did offload here as soon as we reach this level. As far as the trade, we did not get the trade that we wanted. However, we did get these higher lows swept out. Let me just mark them off for you here while we're on the daily time frame. We had this higher low get swept out at the 3600 area, another at the 3300 area, and then we finally swept this last one out here at the 3060 area. And I really like to see how this daily candle would close, rejecting from the 2900 area. If we get a nice candle closure, I'll scale down to the lower time frame, so that H4 looks really nice. However, there's massive volume to the downside. The bears look like they're in control at the moment. We did sweep this lower low here, as I spoke about in our last video. I highly doubt that we would come down here to the 2300 area. Very unlikely for me, but anything's possible in the crypto market. So it's not completely off the table. And the reason why I say that is because overall, this could be a rangy market. So can it come down here? Possible. I don't think it's probable. But I'd like to see how this candle reacts to see if some buyers step in here. Doesn't look like it, not even on any time frame. I'm all the way down to the M15 time frame, and I don't see any buyers stepping in besides this big wick that we got at the 2900, which closed at 2900, went up to 3020. Nice closure. So they did sweep. You can see it dip below. As far as a trade, I don't see one. As far as a spot position, I definitely offloaded pretty heavy to grab some ETH here. I do see ETH hitting probably 6,000 to 7,000 this bull run. Again, this is not investment advice. It's just what I'm personally doing with my own funds. But if you want to play it safer for spot positions or even a long-term trade, you can wait for the weekly to close. If we get some type of rejection like we did back in April 15th, or even one on the 29th of April. Yeah, the 29th of April, and see if we can get that massive pushback up. But right now, I'm going to sit on my hands. There's not necessarily a trade here. I mean, it could be a trade, but very risky, which I will not take. But this is the breakdown for ETH really quick, and I'll see you guys on the next one.